It is Drew with Morning Momentum. I'm going to be day trading some large cap stocks today. We're going to be trading today ASTC, OLUX, and REPL. See how this goes. Buy hash. That works. So I'm going to buy 1,000, 1,200. Actually, I'm not fully getting the whole. I don't understand the whole buying power situation on these. This one we can buy 200, 700. This is like 600. Okay. So I bought my 3 stocks now that I wanted to trade from Morning Momentum Room. And now I'm just going to keep an eye on them, keep an eye on the grand total here. So we started today at 33. With the amount we invested, let's just say 30,000. 4% of that. Yeah. Just trying to make a few grand here. So this one's doing well. Oh. This one's not very well. Oh yeah, there's too much in this. I only have 600 of these. Oh, it's easier to pull out of this, I guess. It's not like crashing because it keeps wanting to come back, but I guess I'll just sell it if it goes back to like 35, because let's just see if it turns itself around here. We want this stock to do well, so we're not just going to give up on it instantly. Oops. This one's doing well. Oh, right here's a nice little area. It says your daily return on the stock, like how it's individually doing for you. This one's doing bad, right? It's turning around now. So these 3 stock picks, hopefully we're going to do well this morning. None of this is financial advice, just my own opinion. These ones are going to do well, but let's see here. This one started this morning down here, and it's barely at all gone down. You know, this might be on a downward trend. It hasn't started crashing really fast like Astrotech was. But we'll see what's happening to Astrotech here. And this one's doing great so far, going up. Well, the gains aren't very much yet. Looks like these are staying where they're at. Hoping to make 3,000 or 4,000 probably, or 4% on each one. Oh, even this one's going down now. Okay. It'd be a lot nice if all these were just going straight up, I will say. But currently it's a little wishy-washy how they want to go up or down. Let's see. Well, this one was really not moving. It's like beautiful done. Okay. Oh, this one is really barely moving. It's like not very much volume, it feels like. I think we see the volume somewhere. Oh, I'm not really sure. Oh, jeez. I've got Onyx crashing. Wonderful. Now Astrotech is going up, which is nice. Nice to hold on to that one. Oh, look how little this one moves. Especially compared to these ones. It's wild. The numbers are moving pretty slowly today. Jeez. Always another little down spike of people selling it whenever it does well. But hopefully this will go up one more time here, at least. And this one is just not doing well. It went up so briefly. Oh, we have a little waiting game to do here, at least to succeed. I was trying to figure out my buying power earlier because it says different amounts on these different stocks, which I'm not completely privy to all the mechanics behind that. Okay, here we go. This one's going up again. On this next upward trend, maybe we'll put the stop loss, not the stop loss, the trailing stop. But we'll wait for it to give another upward momentum here. This one is, I guess, frozen. Oh, it is actually frozen. Yeah, when it says this, that means it's going to be just frozen until they take this hold off of it, or the halt off of it. So that's just waiting. I notice a lot of the time they turn around after these halts are up, because a lot of people have buy orders in on it at a moment like this where it's down. And yeah, this one's making us money now. It's just hard to know if this one really wants to go up. It doesn't seem like it's flying up, you know? Okay, but we're gonna put a trailing stop on like 5%. It'd be a little nicer. Let's do like 8%. Yeah, look at this one now. It's just going up and up. Crazy. This one still has a hold on it. This one's freaking flatlining, which is whatever. Okay, let's do this. Oh, we didn't enter any shares. All the shares. 600. Okay. Now, if it goes down a lot after this new high, it'll automatically sell for us. I believe I correctly put in my order there. Order to buy, order to buy. Hold on. These ones are still not moving. Wow. What did you put a sell order? Oh, now it's increased volatility. So now 2 of them are paused. And this one might as well be paused. Oh my gosh. I feel like my order didn't go through earlier. I put it like this. With 7%, I'll say. Review order. Sell all your shares? You only have 0. What? Okay. So the order is still on. I was just making sure it's there. In that case, it's fine. I'm just gonna ignore that. There's a hold on this one, so no reason to look at it. This one's no more hold on that one. No more hold. This one is losing money, but it hasn't crashed in such a way that I'm wanting to rip myself out of the game here. It's really just not moving, which is surprising for such an early morning. Turning around. And this one is also turning around. Can't really decide. Oh, It really does feel like this one has a hold on me. Oh my gosh. You're moving so little. And you could put a stop loss at this point, I feel like, but when you do a stop loss, then you're kind of cashing in on the fact that you're going to lose here. And we could still win on this if it goes up again. This one could not decide if it wants to go up or down or set a new high or be stable. And still paused. This is a pretty common occurrence in the early morning. There's increased volatility, then it gets halted. And then it's kind of a pause on the whole situation here. So this one is not really great either. It's just not picking a trend whether it wants to go up or down seriously. No, this one looks like it could be on an upward trend. Especially since the market opened. Could have made a little money selling straight away, but you hope that it goes up more than that, especially because this market high was above where it's at right now. And this will be interesting once it unpauses. Let's see. This is all like a high, so. $16. And we bought this at 10.28. Oh, and there it is. Now it's making money for us. Good amount. We really want this to turn around. We don't want it to go down much more, but it's going down very slow. It's moving very slow in general. You know, we could make one of these trailing stop orders for Olinox. It has gone up. We don't want to lose more. So maybe we could do something safe like this. Sell our shares if it goes down 5%. Or we haven't made a lot of that, so 4%. Of course, this is also just frozen in time now. I don't normally see them freeze up like this to this degree. This one has started to go up even more now that the market is closed. Ooh, it's going down now. That might automatically sell. We'll see. I mean, I guess I'll just... Oh, now it's halted. Okay. That's a lot of halts in one day. Every single one. Every single one. And once this automatically sells, this will pop up with a... Like, hey, automatically sold. Actually, we'll edit it. So... Also 4%. Oops. Now it's not so sure. I have to cancel depending on the rate. You know, that one's making money now. This one's frozen now. This one's flatlining. I would like to just say If we go back to this main page, maybe this will have our order. It's just hard to see. You don't know what you're looking for. Normally it has the stocks down here, which is a little weird. Wow, 46 now. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to cancel my current order. Totally. Let me go on my phone, because the phone app literally makes more sense than this. I'll be so honest. Let's see. Sure, these are not crashing. Yeah, they're okay. Okay, so ASTC. Okay. Yeah, see, this has a way to cancel it. Now I've canceled that. Now I can put my little 3%. 3%. Because this is such a humongous amount of money. So we're gonna remove this. Yes. And now it's much better percentage. That 8% was much too high for something like this because it was going to go back down to 43 before it sold, which is not what we want. We could make so much more than that. And now if it goes up a little more, I won't miss out, but if it starts crashing, I'll also get out quick. This one is just staying right where it's at, you know? This could be a good situation to put a stop loss because you don't want it to crash majorly since it has such low movement. I don't know, this is just... This might be the failure stock for today. Okay, I might have spoken it into existence a little bit there. Okay, this one's not on a hold anymore. We'll put it, yeah, it's really... Oh my god, there too. Okay. Let's just do it. Oh, can you not do fractions? That's too... I really don't want this to go back down, but it does appear to be. Okay, there's my turn. This one, I don't know. It almost seems like this had another halt on it, the way it just freezes. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'll put in this 3% trailing loss order because this one doesn't have like a major movement. I don't know though. This could just be a tiny bottom out and go up again. So I don't want to put in too high of a percent. It's going to be losing money. At the same time, this one's just not doing very well. You know? It does seem like this is going to be the start of another downward trend, so I am just going to say this is too much. Of course, we can put 0 shares. Oh, jeez, now it's flopping around. Hey, Rabuname is going back up. Did we sell the other one? Cancel your order to buy? No. This hasn't sold. Oh, it's frozen again. Okay. This has been a long morning, let me tell you. A lot of these times I can use my money much faster, please. Oh, that's wonderful. That's going up again. Okay, we are just gonna do it at this point. Oh, I don't know, man. This one is just can't decide. Everyone seems to be fighting for it to go back up. Oh. Did this sell? This should have sold automatically at this point. Yeah, it did. So we're out of Astra Tech. It started to go down. Not interested. I don't know why I'm looking at that. I'm sorry. In my own head. Okay, this one's doing well now. You know, I think I accidentally bought this. What was it? I accidentally bought it pre-market for a higher price for that 848, which was my issue. I was supposed to put in a sell or a buy order for market open, because those buy orders for market open are usually better. Usually it goes down right before the market opens here, and then you can buy, and then it will go up. That's what I always find. This one is just going down, and I should have sold it earlier. If it goes back up, I will sell that. If it doesn't, we'll just keep on losing. No, I'm kidding. And this one's really going up now, which is nice. Holy. It just went down quite a bit, which is usually going to make a lot of people come back in. Looks like some people might be making their money off of this, especially people who went in when we're supposed to go in at market open. And now this is skyrocketing, which is nice. To the point where I'm going to put a trailing order now. Just because this doesn't look like one that's going to fly up, but if it does, we have it. So you, man. Let's just sell some. Let's just sell. Olux is almost at 10 again. I really didn't expect this to go down majorly again. We could have made a little there than here. Silly. Ultimately, we did not buy as many shares of this as the other ones. This one was our most important one today, and we did very well on it. Oh, this is back in the 10 range. 909. Okay. If you're gonna go down, I'm gonna be a hater at least. Really, this would be a good time to sell, especially if we went on at market opens. Great. I just feel bad about it. It's okay though. Just be objective with these things. I'm not confident it's gonna keep skyrocketing, so I probably should sell it. Since we made like thousands on Astrotech today, like we're still up so much today that we kind of can see where this goes a little without risking it, since we made so much. But I don't want it to go down like this. I mean, it's not really ideal. And this one, honestly, I'm feeling like this might be a miracle if we make money on this one. This is an evil thing to say, but you know, the games go so fast if you let them. Holding on to Olux has been a mistake. I'm really just hoping to make a little money out of Olenox. Hopefully. It looks like it could go back up to 10 any day now. As it crashes. You know, this isn't looking good. This is another one we're gonna hold on to for too long and then regret, feeling like. And it's my fault I didn't make money off this. I accidentally bought it back here or something when I was supposed to buy it. Look at this. Somehow I bought it for $8.48 even when the market open was freaking $7.92. If we had bought this for $7.92, this is a good game, but I just messed up. So this is just my fault completely. I'm gonna sell all in here because I just can't sit around holding on to this forever. This is not reality. And this one, I just want to lose a little bit less than I've lost right now on it. Wow. Let's see where we are for the day. That went up to 10. Yeah, I made 5,500 today. We're out of these. Right. Yeah. Well, I said I would sell it when it goes up to 10, and now that it's at 10, I'm feeling like, hey, maybe it'll go back up. Oh, jeez. This is an okay position. It's just not a humongous mover right now. Especially like when this one took off, for example, wasn't it crazy how it just flew up so quickly? That's usually what I'm used to seeing when it's gonna go up. So this is not as exciting here. Okay, now I'm really pissed off. Go work up to 10. Oh my gosh. Someone big just sold. Well, we're just trying not to lose so much. 5 grand. And here, over here, you can look at the market price. So we're really selling out. Come on. Whoa. Went down to 950 again, everyone. Okay. We got to get out. I'm trying to lose a little less. I made money, but you know. Oh, I'm tired. Normally I'm not in for 36 minutes on the day. This is kind of wild. But I believe in these stocks. We got out at a good time, notably for this. If we had bought this on the buying price, we would have made good money here. This almost looks like this looks like it wants to set a new low on a new high. Not really happy losing 1,200 on that one. Come on. Almost the market low. You'd think some people want to buy now. One of the things I like to do when it's not all sunshine and roses like this one is to look at the grand total and decide when you're going to stop being greedy. So when it goes up to a certain amount, then you just pull out because it's gone up so much. Something I like to do, but this really doesn't want to keep going up, does it? It's just unfortunate. Okay, my standards have dropped significantly for this. Let's just get out at like 9.7 at this point. Because this does look like it really does want to go down. Just hoping to lose a little less. And like I said, I mean, I can afford to lose a little more since I made so much already today. I just want this to succeed. It went up, it went up. You know, this might be the time to sell. Nope. So. Right before it really starts going up. Well, you know, we're not interested in that. Got to 38 grand, we made 5 grand today. That was okay. Quick evaluation of these. We got out at a good time during this one here, around here. But I made the mistake of buying at 828, like back here, when if I had placed a market open order like I planned to, 792 would have been the buying price, and then this would have been a large increase. So this would have been thousands instead of hundreds when I sold this. This one ended up going up a little more, so I could have lost a little less. But, you know, it just looked scary, and I didn't to keep going down. And I made good money on another one today. Oh, look, now it's going up. See, I didn't believe hard enough. But you don't want to get lost in hypotheticals or beat yourself up over stuff like this. It's not important. We made good money on the one that mattered today. So, market open, it didn't immediately do well, but it didn't crash. And then it really skyrocketed. And we got to sell it at $47 or $48 or something. Did wonderful this one, which carried the day. And that's the point of buying clusters, you know? One will succeed, hopefully. And even if some of your dogs jump out of the race, you got one that made. And that's what's important. Okay. I think that's the video for today. Thank you guys for watching.